आशा करता हूँ आप सभी लोग अपने घर पर स्वस्थ होंगे। आज हमारे साथ हमारी चीफ गेस्ट के तौर पर मिस सम्मानिका रावत जी जुड़ने जा रही हैं। हम इनका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं जो इन्होंने अपना बहुमूल्य समय हमारे लिए निकाला। आज हम इनसे बात करेंगे इनकी लीगल जर्नी के बारे में और इनके प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड, और इनके लीगल प्रोफेशन के दौरान क्या क्या इन्होंने परेशानियों का सामना किया और कैसे उन पर जीत हासिल की। आज हमारे लिए इन्होंने अपना बहुत बहुमूल्य समय निकाला, तो आशा करता हूं हमारी वार्तालाप आपको पसंद आएगी। बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं मैम मैं आपका।
थैंक यू शुभम।
मैम मुझे आपसे एज अ पर्सनली जानना था मैम, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिंक्डइन की जो पोस्ट हैं आई थिंक अराउंड 6 मंथ से मैं आपको फॉलो करता हूँ लिंक्डइन पर। और मैम मैं आपके जो पोस्ट हैं रिगार्डिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के रिगार्डिंग और यानी जो आप बच्चों को बताते रहते हैं उनकी स्किल्स के बारे में, कैसे पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के बारे में आप बताते रहते हैं मैम, कैसे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी करनी है, आर्मी की, जैक की। मैम मैं रेगुलरली आपकी पोस्ट को डीपली रिसर्च के पढ़ता हूं मैम। तो मैम मैं मुझे जानना चाहता हूं कि मैम इसके पीछे क्या है मोटिव और कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ।
एक्चुअल में शुभम मुझे मतलब लिंक्डइन ज्वाइन करने के ज्यादा सीनियर्स की एडवाइस को सीरियसली नहीं लेते, तो इसीलिए मैंने अकाउंट क्रिएट कर दिया था, बट आई वाज नॉट वेरी एक्टिव देयर. It was only last year कि when I was working at LawSeco, and it was I think around mid of July when I started like coming live on LinkedIn and started writing about what was going on in my mind. तो जैसे Facebook पूछता है कि what is going on in your mind, yeah, like tell us would you like to share about what is your thought process. So I started like, because I had a habit, पहले फेसबुक के लिए हूँ, फिर फेसबुक छोड़ के आई मूव टू इंस्टाग्राम, सो आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग कैप्शंस देयर, एंड देन फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम आई ग्रेजुअली मूव टू लिंक्डइन. So with time I realized कि as professionals it is important for us to network with others. And secondly, when I was holding the position of head of placements at LawSeco, where I was helping more than like 300-400 students per month, and like overall in total we helped 450 students secure internships during lockdown. So उस time पे मुझे लगा कि there are so many law students who would be looking for some advice, who may not be able to afford expensive paid mentorships. So that's why I thought कि क्यों ना LinkedIn को वो जरिया बनाए where we can like spread our messages. मुझे LinkedIn की एक बहुत अच्छी चीज ये लगती है कि आपके messages easily लोगों तक पहुंच सकते हैं. ट्विटर में बॉट्स बनने के बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस होते हैं और ट्विटर की कैरेक्टर लिमिट बहुत कम होती है. एट द सेम टाइम इंस्टाग्राम पे अगर कोई भी आपके प्रोफाइल में आता है तो पहले आपको उनको आपकी फोटोग्राफ दिखती है, बिकॉज इट इज मोर लाइक अ स्क्रैप बुक काइंड ऑफ लाइक फीड विच शोज, राइट. तो इसीलिए अगर आपको किसी को अपना मैसेज कन्वे करना था, सो लकीली आई हैड लॉट ऑफ गुड मेंटर्स फ्रॉम लॉ स्कूल डेज, इवन इन माय प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, एंड आई गॉट टू लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम दीज पीपल. Plus, because in law school हम लोगों में से काफी लोग ऐसे होते हैं backbenchers who are not very much interested in just reading core law books. So we like find excuses to spare time. And मेरा वो तरीका था YouTube पे time spend करने का. So I used to watch a lot of TED videos, TEDx. कि यार ये लोग ऐसे पहुंचे कैसे, इन्होंने क्या क्या किया, what were their key learnings and all that. So I was always interested in learning, but not only about core law. So I used to find like go through a lot of videos. So वहाँ से भी मैंने कुछ कुछ components सीखे. Then because I was leading a team, I started from scratch the entire department of placements, and then we took it to a team of 6 professionals, and including interns. एक बार ऐसे भी था कि हम I think around 15-20 पहुंच गए थे पूरी team. There was 1 month. So like how I used to run my team, the environment, luckily they used to a way of working. I was not extremely professional. I used to keep it semi-formal, and I used to think more from the side of view of what my team member needs from my end, then thinking about what I need from their end. So I thought I should also be writing about these things. So ऐसे ही मतलब मेरा LinkedIn का ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई पहले से प्री डिफाइंड कैलेंडर रहता है कि इस दिन मैं इस बारे में लिखूंगी. वट एवर थॉट कम्स इन टू माई माइंड,
Yes,
आई
ma'am.
जस्ट फाउंड LinkedIn एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू एक्सप्रेस माई.
मैम मुझे ही और मुझे लगता है और मेरे जैसे बहुत ही सारे लॉ स्टूडेंट्स को आपकी पोस्ट पढ़ के बहुत ही अच्छा महसूस होता होगा, क्योंकि मैम जो आपकी पोस्ट जो होती है वो बेसिकली एनर्जेटिक होती है, क्योंकि हमारे माइंड में जब भी होता है, जैसे भी हम मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं तो मेरे माइंड में है कि एक पोस्ट एक दिन का लिखना है, तो मैम जैसे ही मैं लिखने जाता हूँ तो सबसे पहले पोस्ट आपकी ही होती है सबसे फ्रंट ऑफ में. तो मैम मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है और मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिलता है, बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जाए तो. मैम मेरा दूसरा सवाल ये है आपसे कि मैम आपने क्यों सोचा कि मुझे एक एज अ लॉयर मतलब आना चाहिए, व्हाई डिड यू चूज टू बिकम ए लॉयर बेसिकली, और व्हाई डिड यू थिंक दैट कि आप लीगल कैरियर कोच मतलब बनेंगे. और मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ बेसिकली आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा, आप अपने बारे में बताइए कि कैसे लीगल कैरियर कोच के एज ए थ्रू आप काम करते हैं.
तो मेरे लॉ को चूज करने की या लॉयर बनने की स्टोरी तो बहुत ही फनी और इंटरेस्टिंग है. दैट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बिकम द सीईओ ऑफ कैडबरी. लाइक मुझे 11th क्लास में जब टीचर ने पूछा कि समाना का तुम्हें क्या बनना है, तो आई वाज वेरी पर्टिकुलर एंड ही वाज शॉक्ड. लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे मे बी एमबीए करना है या बिजनेसमैन बनना है, बट शी इज सो पर्टिकुलर कि कैडबरी का ही सीईओ बनना है. तो आई डोंट इवन नो कि वो थॉट कहाँ से आया था, बट बचपन में मैं बहुत बोलते थे. तो इसीलिए आई रियलाइज कि बिकॉज आई हैड साइंस इन माय 12th स्टैंडर्ड, आई वाज लाइक यार साइंस तो आगे नहीं पढ़ा जा सकेगा. आई एम सो सॉरी बट फॉर माय इनफॉर्मल चॉइस ऑफ वर्ड्स, बट यस आई वाज लाइक समाना का साइंस नहीं हो पाएगा. सो व्हाट डू आई डू? समबडी टोल्ड मी बीबीए कर लो, बट माय पेरेंट्स वर नॉट विलिंग टू सेंड मी आउटसाइड देहरादून एंड आई वाज वेरी पर्टिकुलर दैट हायर स्टडीज के लिए आई वुड वांट टू एक्सप्लोर बिकॉज I wanted to like feel what are the challenges, and I wanted to study in a diverse environment where there are people coming from across India, and so that I could like grow, because I felt that if I would be studying in my same city, I would be surrounded by the comfort zone of the family, and I may not be able to like stand on my own, take challenges. So that's why I really wanted to step out of Dehradun. And then one of my faculty members, like ट्यूशन टीचर टोल्ड मी दैट तुम एक काम करो, तुम ना क्लैट का पेपर दे दो. सो आई वाज लाइक सर ये क्या होता है? He said law कर लो. Now amongst all the options which I had thought about for myself school days में, law was one of them कि हाँ ये किया जा सकता है, but it was not the main thing कि यही करना है. It was just there कि अच्छा क्या क्या ऑप्शन हो सकते हैं, ठीक है ये भी कर सकते हैं. How I used to think about it. एंड जैसे वो पहले एक कॉमन स्टेटमेंट था ना, जिसका कुछ नहीं होता वो लॉ करता है. सो एक तरह से ये समझ लीजिए दैट्स हाउ आई थॉट अबाउट इट कि अभी तो कुछ और हो नहीं रहा है, बीएससी करना नहीं है, एंड एमबीए करने के लिए बीबीए इज नॉट अ वेरी, आई थॉट दैट इट वाज नॉट अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिग्री एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम फॉर माई सेल्फ, बिकॉज मुझे ये था कि अगर मुझे ग्रेजुएशन के बाद पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन या दूसरी डिग्री करने का मन नहीं किया, बिकॉज लाइक इफ आई एम लुकिंग फॉर एन इमीडिएट सोर्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट आफ्टर माई ग्रेजुएशन, then my degree should be strong enough. तो इसीलिए BBA में मुझे everybody told me that BBA के बाद MBA would be a necessity to secure a good paying job. तो इसीलिए then I dropped the idea of doing BBA. And secondly, like I was under the impression कि BBA करने के बाद मेरे options बहुत limited होंगे. So I wanted to do something जिससे, because I didn't have clarity उस time पे कि क्या करना है. So I wanted to keep my options open, and that's why when my teacher told me about CLAT, and the only thing he told me was कि NLUs में चले जाओ, वहाँ पे AC होता है, air conditioner होता है, and once you graduate, आपको like you will be able to earn in lakhs, like even 1 lakh per month. He said actually 12 lakhs का package मिलेगा. So I did my calculation and was like, I knew one senior from Dehradun who had recently been placed in front of me in some other domain actually, and she was getting 30,000. So I calculated, I was like 3 times more than this person was getting. Oh my god, ये करते हैं. So I said कि अच्छा सर पेपर में क्या आता है? So he said कुछ नहीं, मैथ्स आएगा, इंग्लिश आएगा, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग आएगा, जीके आएगा और लीगल एप्टीट्यूड आएगा. So I was like sounds good. लीगल के अलावा बाकी सब चीजें फिर भी फेमिलियर साउंड हो रही है, देखते हैं. एंड ही सेड कि डरना मत, 12th वाली मैथ्स नहीं आएगी, 10th तक की आएगी. So it's like, okay, chalo dekhte hain. And that's how I got to know about CLAT. Then like I joined a coaching institute. I took a drop because the first year I couldn't make it. I had got an opportunity to like, I secured a seat in economic honors course, but then I dropped it and I was like, no, I really want to give another try to CLAT. And then luckily I got a good rank which helped me land at NUJS. उससे पहले एक्चुअल में दुनिया खत्म होने वाली थी उस साल, so we were chilling thinking अच्छा दुनिया तो खत्म ही हो जाएगी तो पढ़ के क्या होगा, but strangely दुनिया खत्म नहीं थी, so we had to start studying and उसी टाइम CLAT ने भी negative marking introduce कर दी. This is 2012-13. Yes. So 2012 दिसंबर में दुनिया खत्म होनी थी, जो कि हुई नहीं, और उसके बाद CLAT ने अलग से नेगेटिव मार्किंग अनाउंस कर दी थी. So because of that also it helped me a lot, because a lot of other students who were scoring really well during our coaching days got really scared by negative marking. So they were not able to think practically ki how to deal with the negative marking situation, and that was something which really worked in my favor. So aisa nahi hai that the people who didn't secure a position actually were like any day lesser. Maybe most of my friends who were like preparing with me, actually I always thought they were way better than me. The only thing was they on the last day probably at that time their luck didn't work with them, and then that's how I ended up at NUJ, and with that identity of because it's a very liberal place, so like that's the best thing I could ever get. Judgments happening about anybody, be it students or professors, and everybody could mind their own business. So we had full freedom to think about who we are and what we want to do in life without unnecessary interference by external influences. So that's how like I had friends like in my batchmates from all different sectors. There was somebody who came from extremely tribal place. At the same time, there was somebody who came from a very influential family as well. We had like famous cricketers son, we had like actresses ke or politicians ke family members and all, right? So it was a mixed kind of environment which I got for 5 years, which helped me build my own personality, which helped me understand ki acha ek hi tarike ke log nahi hote. Like you could have somebody who is even struggling to like pay for the monthly fee, and you could also have another person who has at least 1 lakh in their account every single month, right? So those are the things like I got to explore, and then I was always inclined towards joining armed forces. So I was not looking for cop jobs since beginning, but my family was always under the impression that probably I want to skip the hard working side of the cop side, and that's why maybe I'm thinking that armed forces would be an easier option. So till the last like the end of our recruitment phase, which is like towards the end of 5th year. Now, if you know NUJS or top NLUs में 4th year के end में placement शुरू हो जाते, and I was the only female member in the RCC for almost 3 years. So I was not sitting for placements. Like day zero maybe I sat for only AZB for fun. Like I was like ये एक form है देखते हैं, because I had heard like lot of good things and bad things and like जो भी उनके बारे में सुना था. So that really attracted me, the overall like image of that firm. So I was like यहाँ बैठते, and interestingly AZB के the day zero के placement में we were given a group discussion topic which was veg biryani, veg sushi, right or wrong. Like literally ये हमारा group discussion का topic था, right? So I'm like a pure vegetarian, so of course I couldn't clear that GD round, and उसके बाद से I didn't sit for any placement. I had most of my friends, like all the big brands which came starting from firms to in-house places, but I wasn't sitting because I was like I should be very clear whether I really want to do the job or not. For me, the work environment and job satisfaction mattered the most rather than like just money or fame or anything else. City preference also wasn't there for me us time. So easily I was looking for a job which could give me that kind of job satisfaction, and that's why I realized that maybe cop firm is not the place where I see myself. So that's how like 5th year का end आ गया, but then I thought कि अच्छा घर पे वापस जाएंगे तो पेरेंट्स शायद 5 साल का रिपोर्ट कार्ड मांग देंगे, thinking that I didn't do much during my law school days. So I was like, okay, let me just sit for a job, maybe just to show it to my parents that yes, I was eligible to secure a job, but it was a personal choice which I made. So don't think that like because I couldn't secure a job, I'm looking for easy options. And that's how like HSC was the last form which came, and I applied, and luckily I got through only in the HR round itself. The senior partner, Mr. Anjan Das Gupta, was very kind enough to offer
Yes,
me
ma'am.
a job in the HR round. I luckily didn't have to sit for the technical round because trust me, my technical knowledge wasn't very good at that point of time. And that's how I ended up like securing a job, and they called me to join their Bombay office, and that I became a cop lawyer there. But deep down I knew that this is not something I really want to do for a long term. And even my seniors over there, because like मेरे डेस्क पे हमेशा डिफेंस फोर्सेस के और डिफेंस ऑफिशियल्स के पोस्टर्स रहते थे, एंड आई यूज्ड टू लाइक ऑन एवरी like team discussion या team dinners पे I used to frequently like have some or the other conversation related to armed forces. My partner's wife is a JAG officer, so with
JAG
sir
officer,
also
yes,
like
ma'am.
we used to have those kind of discussions. हाँ, तो इसीलिए फिर when I filled my JAG form and my SSB dates came, I was very clear that this is the only thing which I want. I had already like worked there for more than 8 months by then. And then I spoke to both my partner, like my partner and the senior partner. Interestingly, उसी टाइम पे फर्म हम में हमारी टीम डिसॉल्व हो रही थी. Like one set
अच्छा
was
मैम,
moving to
हाँ
DSC,
जी,
the other set was moving to Luthra. So I knew that even if I stay back in the firm, like I will either have to join one of them. So HSA का brand name तो मेरे CV में will be only for 9 months. So I was
yes,
like,
ma'am.
let me like, go back and prepare for JAG, because that was the like wearing the uniform was the dream. But strangely, so okay, now यहाँ पे बहुत ही interesting चीज हुआ that I did get support from both the partners. They were very positive about it. They both said that Samanika, doors this side are always open for you in case you don't make it. I remember Deepak sir, who's the partner, who's now working at Luthra. So he told me this statement came from his words, his mouth, that Samanika, doors this side will always remain open for you, and all the best. And I always knew that you would be leaving one day or the other for JAG forces. On the other hand, Anjan sir, who is the senior partner at DSK Bombay, he told me that especially when he was giving me my what do you say, experience letter. Yeah, so
Yes,
when he
ma'am.
was handing over my experience letter, he told me that, Samanika, I want you to remember one thing, that even if whether or not you make it to JAG, I just want you to remember that you could be a great corporate lawyer, and not everybody has it in you, and I can
बिल्कुल
see
मैम.
that in you. So that in itself, like coming from both my seniors, their like words actually helped me in building my confidence, and like keeping this making sure that okay, I have a safe backup, so I can like just focus on my preparation. So then, however, strangely, I did not make it. Like in my first 3 attempts, I did not make it. I was getting screened out. So I got screened out twice, and it affected my not only mental health but my confidence also to a great extent. Like I completely lost it for myself, because I ended up into an extreme stage of self doubt, because anybody who knew me till then used to always say, अरे तू तो कर
बिल्कुल
लेगी,
मैम.
तेरा हो जाएगा, and all that. They had seen that I was so passionate about it. But getting screened out and not even able to be in the second stage actually like affected me a lot. So then after that, I went to a coaching institute, and I told them I really want to unlearn the things I already know, so that I understand what they're looking for. Maybe I have like learned from wrong sources. So इसीलिए, because I was consuming a lot of information from YouTube and इधर उधर से. And
Yes,
so
ma'am.
after going to the coaching institute, I was able to get screened in, but then I got conference out because of like the personal thoughts which were going on in my mind, because SSB is purely about your psychology. So easily I didn't clear the stage 2 in my third attempt, and that was when I was like, okay, I've been at home for quite some time now, and it's important that I should start searching for jobs, because
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can't keep waiting for this. And luckily, when I was thinking about it कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, so
बिल्कुल.
I was very clear that I don't want to do a law firm job anymore. And going back to Bombay wasn't an option for me, because I didn't want to personally. So I come from hills, so I
Yes.
wanted to be around the hills only in any capacity. And then I started writing down what are the things I really like doing in my life, and what are the things my friends have always or family members have always complimented me for. तो पूरा लिस्ट बनाया क्या चीजें पसंद है, क्या चीजें नहीं पसंद है, And then from there, I realized that doing a desk job, like sitting in front of the system, muting yourself, and like just researching for 10 hours, probably I'm not meant for that. And then वो बोलते हैं law of attraction happened. So based on that key things which I had written, like mentorship and counseling my friends was something I had been doing since school days. And that was one thing everybody said, like, we really appreciate about you. So I got a call from Abhyuday, and the call was for something else though. He asked me to create a course for LawSikho. And it was just a project based assignment. So I decided to go to Delhi, and I thought 1-2 हफ्ते में ये assignment खत्म करके, and then maybe I'll go to Nainital High Court for litigation because I'm not going back to corporate.
Yes.
But then when I went to their office in Delhi, they had an event where students had come. I think IP University के भी काफी students आए थे, and there was one student who wanted a career in taxation. So post event, like the team of LawSikho used to interact with students and help them with basic guidance and all. So I was guiding that student who came to me for career in taxation, and Ramanuj saw me guiding her. So after that, like the 3 co-founders had offered me that like to join them, and that's how like LawSikho happened. It wasn't planned at all. Ramanuj told me that I want to start the placement department, and I want somebody who can mentor students. Would you like to take this responsibility to start it from scratch? So I was like, okay, chalo, naya challenge करके देखते हैं. And then immediately after that, lockdown happened, and then the story completely changed. So yeah, I understand it's a very long story. I'm so sorry for taking so much of your time.
बिल्कुल नहीं. और मुझे बहुत ही प्रसन्नता और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि आपकी स्टोरी सुन के मैम हर लॉ स्टूडेंट जरूर इंस्पायर होगा मैम. और मैम मुझे ये लगता था मैम कि आप जो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, आप जो अपना प्रोफेशन कर रहे हैं, तो क्या पता आप स्टार्टिंग से ही इस प्रोफेशन में रहे होंगे मैम. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ऑलवेज थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस मैम. तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि आप इतनी लॉन्ग स्टोरी है. सो मैम मुझे बहुत ही इंस्पायर लगी मैम, और सेम फॉर ऑल द लॉ स्टूडेंट्स. तो मैम मुझे मेरा तीसरा प्रश्न ये है मैम, आपकी जो जर्नी रही उसमें कई सारी रुकावटें आई, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम आई, और बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम फेस भी करी एक्चुअली आपने. सो मैम ये हर लॉ स्टूडेंट्स की लाइफ में आती होगी. तो इफ यू हैव एनी जनरल टिप फॉर लॉ स्टूडेंट, if someone should come into corporate sector, or if someone want to crack the competitive exam, so मैम क्या है आपके पास, आप कुछ सजेशन देना चाहें मैम, या कुछ टिप्स देना चाहें मैम?
This happens like जैसे मेरे केस में क्या हुआ that I always knew that I didn't want to do a cop job, but I ended up joining one. Luckily, I came from a NLU background and I knew the steps. Not because the college itself helped us with placements या ऐसा कुछ. जितने भी बड़े NLUs हैं जिनको mostly private universities और non NLU या बाकी NLUs blame करते हैं कि सारी opportunities वो ले जाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि वहां पर कुछ अलग कॉलेज के थ्रू मैकेनिज्म होता है या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के थ्रू मैकेनिज्म होता है प्लेसमेंट्स का. वहां पे प्लेसमेंट्स या बाकी सक्सेस स्टोरीज इसलिए ज्यादा बेटर हो पाती है बिकॉज दे हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एलुमनाई बेस. तो इसीलिए लाइक हमें गाइडेंस सीनियर से अच्छी मिल पाती है जो कि उस प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड में होते हैं. तो दैट वे आई वाज एबल टू सिक्योर अ जॉब, बट आई ऑलवेज न्यू दैट दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. Right. So that is the another thing that happens with most of the law students. Like mid law school crisis जो आता है, like after spending around 4-5 semesters, a lot of students start asking themselves कि what are we doing and what am I doing with myself firstly, and why am I doing what I'm doing. Right, because the theory of law here it is entirely different from the practical aspects, and therefore because of the gap which is there, nobody tries to fill this gap. It is a student feels that I'm constantly running a rat race. So my advice to everybody is, especially the students who come to me for mentorship would tell you this, that I always tell them, create your own path. Today I'm getting interviewed for this session because I created a unique path for myself and not followed the rat race. I would have been, had I been working in a law firm, you wouldn't be aware of me and we wouldn't be doing this conversation today, right? So in the same manner, do not just think about litigation, corporate as the only two options of your life, firstly. Secondly, think about what are the things you like doing most. आपकी hobbies क्या हैं, उसके basis पे you can create something new for yourself. Like अगर I say that law को केवल corporate law, company law और या फिर procedural laws in the form of litigation के form में मत देखो. There are so many new developing areas where you can contribute and help to the growth of the discipline. Like अगर आपको fashion पसंद है, then it is not necessary that आप एक कॉफ फर्म में ही जॉब करो और फिर सोचो कि मैं अपना एक Instagram प्रोफाइल बनाऊंगी या बनाऊंगा जहाँ पे मैं फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर बनूंगा. You could merge fashion with law. बिकॉज क्या फैशन की फील्ड में लीगल चैलेंजेस नहीं होते? डेफिनेटली होते हैं. डिजाइनर्स के इतने चैलेंजेस होते हैं, राइट? सो यू कैन लाइक ऑलवेज बिकम जॉइन लॉ विद योर हॉबी. आपको ट्रैवल करना पसंद है, डू नॉट थिंक दैट मैं पहले 9 महीने खुद को बिल्कुल मेंटली एग्जॉस्ट करूंगा एक जॉब में, डेस्क जॉब में, और उसके बाद 10th मंथ आई विल गो ऑन अ ट्रिप. Right? You could work with a travel agency and help them with their legal challenges, right? आप travel and law को merge कर सकते हो. So law में आने की the beauty of this field which I really enjoy and love is that you can pick any sector, any field, whatever interests you, and there will be a legal department. राइट? आप देख लो रोडवेज, रेलवेज, वाटरवेज जितने भी हैं, इन सब के अपने अपने लीगल चैलेंजेस हैं. दे ऑल हैव देयर ओन लीगल डिपार्टमेंट. आप टेलीकम्युनिकेशन देख लो, आप मीडिया एंटरटेनमेंट देख लो, आप स्पोर्ट्स देख लो, एविएशन देख लो, आप जो भी फील्ड बोलो, हर जगह. सो लाइक यू जस्ट थिंक दैट व्हाट इज दैट ड्रीम कंपनी ऑफ योर्स. यू फील दैट ओ वाओ. आपको गेम खेलना पसंद है, पबजी. आप आज लिंक्डइन चेक करो, देयर इज अ लीगल काउंसिल की वैकेंसी एट पबजी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आल्सो, राइट? सो यू कैन क्रिएट अ न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी. नेटफ्लिक्स पे चिल करना पसंद है, यू कैन जॉइन नेटफ्लिक्स विद द लीगल टीम, right? So do not just restrict your thought process with thinking that okay, what somebody else or what my senior did, that is the only option available. या फिर यही 7 tier 1 firms हैं, if I don't get a job there, probably my life ends there. That is not the thing. Then you could have your own path. You may like your priorities in life will be entirely different from what are somebody else's priorities. Like I told you, for me, money wasn't the top priority. For me, work environment and job satisfaction was the most important thing. For most of my batchmates who had a lot of study loans or like family pressure and all, for them either money was important or fame was important, right? Who came from very good families, for them they really wanted to work at tier 1 firms because they were like, I want that fame. 10 years down the line, I want to become a partner of this firm and therefore I want to start with the same firm, right? So sabke liye priorities alag hai. You set your own priorities and based on them see what suits you. Okay, even if you're not able to secure, like even if assuming you just want to do a cop job and you're not able to secure top 7, that's completely fine. India mein 700 और firms हैं. You can work in your own hometown and there would be a good famous lawyer who might be earning really well, much more than a law firm partner, and he's not showing it because he's underplaying it, keeping it low profile, being aware, known to only the locals. Because एक बार आपका client base बन गया, then word of mouth से आपको अपना आप ही organically clients आने लग जाते हैं. They may not be very famous on LinkedIn, they may not have a very famous website, right? But they might have very good quality work. Like I know my friend, he's practicing at Nainital High Court. He's the only NLU grad there who studied from Oxford as well. And he has very strong constitutional law matters, which if you go to maybe Delhi High Court or Bombay High Court, the lawyers may not, big lawyers who have those cases may not have time to interact with you as an intern to teach you about them, or the smaller lawyers may not have those kind of big cases, right? Yeah.
मैम बेसिकली मैम मुझे एक बात जाननी थी एज अ पर्सनली मैम, व्हेन एवर यू आर फेसिंग सम प्रॉब्लम इन योर लाइफ, सो क्या उस समय आपके मन में क्या विचार होता है मैम, जो जनरली आप हमेशा सोचते हैं कि मुझे इस मोटिव के साथ हमेशा आगे बढ़ना है?
आपने अगर मेरे LinkedIn post देखे होंगे, so I tend to always write from the positive side of it, right? Because while preparing for my SSB, like I told you 3 times when I didn't make it, the 4th time I got recommended, and I only got recommended when I changed my entire thought process, that I started looking at life from a positive angle. Now I'm not saying that every single time you just have to be positive and you have to be smiling. That is not possible, right? As humans we have to like feel all the emotions. However, thought process we can keep as much positive as you want, right? Because आप सोचो as lawyers, आपको पहली चीज सबसे पहली क्या सिखाई जाती है लॉ स्कूल में? That you have to look at a situation from multiple perspectives, right? So in the same manner, whatever challenge you are facing in life, why don't you think about the same thing also in the same manner? That, like, how can you look at the same problem from multiple perspectives? And when you start doing it, you do realize that, okay, the version which is constantly running in a subconscious mind is not the only version. There could be other possibilities also why you are like undergoing this thing. And secondly, most importantly, which I've learned in past almost 2 years, is that let all the emotions flow through you. Do not try to avoid them. जितना हम ज्यादा चीजों को अवॉइड करने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो उतना ज्यादा हमारे पीछे भागते हैं. So if you are not feeling well today, accept that I'm not feeling well and my body is asking for rest. Do not try to like contradict and say नहीं 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 मैं तो जबरदस्ती प्रूव करूंगा, right? Yes, of course, अगर एक important deadline है and you think that just to avoid procrastination you are feeling it that way, then it is a different situation altogether. But if you have like 102 fever and still you are like नहीं मैं proof करके काम करूंगा, आपको पता है you will not be working with your optimum productivity level, right? So it's better that when your body is saying rest kar lo, you rest, and then when you are like 100% charged up, you can perform your best. So that's the only thing I keep in mind whenever I come across any challenge or a problem. I sit back. So a very good friend, an Air Force officer, once told me that, Samanaka, don't react, always respond. And this is the one thing which I have taught like my students also, my mentees also, and my co-colleagues who are working in my team. I've always told them this: do not react, always respond to the situation. Reaction क्या होता है? Immediately आप जो पहले सोचते हो कि अरे ये ऐसा हुआ, इसका तो यही होगा, या मैं इसको ये जवाब दूंगा. Whatever your reaction could be. But response is when you let that first aggressive emotion go and think about the situation. कि यार मैं Acha, why did he say this? Maybe this is what he meant and not what I actually interpreted in the first attempt. So these are the only two things I do. Firstly, do not react and respond. I try to do this. Maybe even at times I end up reacting, but like I'm still learning. And secondly, most importantly, I try to look from multiple perspectives.
मैम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम, और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, और आपका दिल से आभार मैम, जो आपने अपना बहुत ही प्रीशियस टाइम निकाला हमारे लिए मैम. So ma'am, thank you so much for contributing your valuable words, and thank you so much that you took your precious time for us. So thank you ma'am. और मैम, I hope you are liked it मैम, आपको पसंद आया होगा.
Definitely. Thank you so much. All the best for your new venture. I'm sure आप काफी अच्छा क्वालिटी कंटेंट लोगों को प्रोवाइड करेंगे थ्रू योर चैनल, एंड वी ऑल विल बी एबल टू लर्न फ्रॉम ईच अदर्स एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड स्टोरीज. So thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.